One of the main reasons that Indian households still prefer buying a semi-automatic machine is because of its efficiency. These machines are compared to automatic washing machines not only efficiently operating and saving power but also consuming far less water to wash our clothes efficiently. While an automatic machine is equipped with a variety of washing modes, semi-automatic machines under 15,000 are now also offering smart washing modes to make sure that you get a spotless laundry for every type of clothes. So whether you are washing your daily wear clothes or curtains or bed sheets, these machines have been engineered and designed in such a way that it can clean them in a very efficient way without consuming too much time or water. Like automatic machines, semi-automatic machines are now also equipped with the inverter technology, which makes the washing process a lot easier and more efficient. In this video, I will talk about the cheapest, best under 15,000 semi-automatic machines that you can consider to buy. So stick to the video till then and let me know in the comment section which one did you like the most, and for all the machines, links are provided in the description. Samsung 9.5 kg 5-star semi-automatic machine. While going around various brands, one brand that stands out on top when it comes to consumer electronics is Samsung, and that is why the first product we would like to mention here is a Samsung 9.5 kg 5-star semi-automatic machines. This washing machine has 9.5 kg capacity in which you can easily wash blankets, curtain and bed sheets quite effectively. Moreover, the hexastorm pulsator of this washing machine makes sure that the quality of the fabric does not deteriorate after washing. So overall, many of the users have given a positive feedback in Flipkart and Amazon, so you can go for it, and if you want to buy, links are provided in the description. LG 8.5 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-load washing machine. With so many options across various brands, choosing one can be a very challenging task. But to make things easier for you, here we bring the LG 8.5 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-load washing machine. This washing machine from the house of LG has been made with a sheer perfection that comes with a roller jet pulsator to make sure that the clothes inside the drum are washed in the best way possible without getting damaged. Equipped with a wind jet drying technology, the machine makes sure that the washer clothes are dried quickly so that you are done with your laundry in just few minutes. So customers have given a positive feedback about this machine and you can go for it. Voltas Beko 9 kg 5-star semi-automatic machine. The Voltas Beko 9 kg semi-automatic machine is one of the sturdiest and the toughest washing machines that you can buy. This grey washing machine from the house of Voltas Beko has also been integrated with a powerful yet amazing pulsator on the inside. The powerful motor of this machine allows the drum to rotate at around 1350 rpm, which helps in faster washing and quick drying, making it a very effective washing machine. Customers have given a positive feedback and you can go for it. Whirlpool 9 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-loading machine. This Whirlpool Magic Clean 9-star 5-star automatic machine top-loading machine is wonderful, and it's a robust and efficient appliance designed to handle substantial laundry loads, making it ideal for medium to large families. The machine comes with a 9 kg capacity, ensuring that even bulky items like bed lines and curtains are cleaned effectively. It has been equipped with a powerful motor that delivers a high spin speed of 1400 rpm, facilitating quick drying and excellent washing. It also has been equipped with a lint filter to ensure that the fabrics remain lint-free, preserving the quality of your clothes. Overall, customers have given positive feedback on this machine and you can go for it. So these are the 4 amazing washing machines that you can buy. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.